How do industries affect our environment? Introduction. Industries have both benefits and environmental impacts. It is important to understand these in order to protect nature while allowing for development. Industries cause air pollution by releasing gases. This affects human health. Water pollution occurs due to waste discharge from factories, which harms aquatic life living in those water bodies. Land pollution is caused by dumping industrial waste on land. This reduces soil fertility and makes it difficult to grow crops or plants, harming both agriculture and natural vegetation. Noise pollution comes from loud machines used in industries, which can affect hearing for people nearby. Thermal pollution happens when industries release hot water into rivers or lakes, damaging aquatic ecosystems. All these types of pollution, air, water, land, noise, and thermal, combine to lead to environmental imbalance. This imbalance threatens the health of humans, plants, animals, and the entire ecosystem. To control this, industries must adopt clean technology that reduces pollution. Waste should always be treated properly before disposal, helping to keep the environment healthy and in balance for the future. Industries must balance development with the need to protect the environment. The protection of nature is essential for long-term healthy living and continued progress in society. Quick revision. Remember the main impacts: air pollution, water pollution, land degradation, and thermal pollution. All must be addressed to manage the environmental impact of industries. Exam questions and answers. Question 1. What is thermal pollution? It is pollution caused by the discharge of hot water from industries into water bodies like rivers or lakes. Question 2. How can industrial pollution be controlled? By using cleaner technology that emits less pollution and by treating industrial waste effectively before its final disposal. Closing. Next, we will learn about measures to control industrial pollution. Stay tuned to find out what steps can be taken to further protect our environment.